Please tell me I don't need any more because I literally want another one. Please, someone tell me I don't need any more Christmas trees in this house. Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Kayla and I'm so happy to have you here today. We are doing something really exciting. I know it's early, but I wanted to give you guys a chance to get some things in the stores before they sell out. So I am doing some Christmas tree unboxing. I have a pencil tree from Walmart, which is what we're putting in the bedrooms. I have a couple of these. I have the viral 4-foot My Texas House tree. And then I have my King of Christmas trees. So I'm going to reveal which one I ordered. I really can't wait to see these things set up. So I am most excited for my 7-foot King of Christmas tree. I'm gonna leave that for last. I'm gonna move it out of the way. I'm going to start with the 4-foot My Texas House tree. I cannot wait to get this set up and take a peek at it. So I'm going to unbox this one first. Let me move the other two out of the way.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
This really gives away how short I am. I'm just under 5 foot, so this tree is a great height. I think it could go several places within a home. If you guys have a fireplace with a mantle, it could go on either side of your fireplace. I think it could go in an entryway on the floor. I'm gonna put it underneath my floating shelves. I'm gonna plug it in just so you guys can see how it looks lit up. It did take a little bit of fluffing, and I just love the way it feels. It's that real feel material, almost like a rubbery, and I love that it's kind of sparse. The basket does have some good weight to it, so it's not gonna kind of topple over and fly around. So let's plug her in and see what she looks like, shall we? Overall, I am loving the quality of this. I love the look of it, and I think it's a little big to go on a tabletop, but possibly if you have a large enough space, that would look good. I think for me, it's gonna go on the other side of my mantle. I may stick some pretty burgundy, like velvet bows on some of the branches, but definitely not having enough for any ornaments, so it's not gonna be a tree that you really decorate. But I think it is stunning, and the lights are a warm white twinkling light, which I love. I don't like the really bright lights. So loving this. I would say for $59, this is a must-get tree if you are in the market for one. All right, the next tree we're setting up is the 7-foot pre-lit Shelton Cashmere Fir. This has clear lights on it. It doesn't have the twinkling effect, but you guys, this was $69 for a 7-foot tree. This has the cashmere branches. I want to know what you guys think of this. It's like it's flocked, but it's not flocked. I love the look of the cashmere tree. I really wanted one last year, but it wasn't in the budget. So this year it is. I have had the same Amazon tree since I would say 2017. It is not a lit tree, it's just plain green, and honestly, trees have come a long way since then, and so I am upgrading. I'm really excited. We're gonna put these 7-foot trees in the bedrooms. So let me open this up and show you guys what it looks like. All right, so overall, I love this one, because it's cheap, it doesn't take up a lot of space, it is pre-lit, and it has those warm white lights. I don't know about you guys, but I won't be able to sleep with this on in our rooms, but I think just as soon as I wake up until I go to bed, it'll just be on, illuminating our room. I have always wanted a Christmas tree in our room, and so now I finally have it. I think putting in some picks from Hobby Lobby is gonna be a great option just to fill this out a little bit. It is really skinny and it's not super sturdy, right? But for the price, if you guys are looking for something that is cheap, doesn't take up a lot of space, that is pre-lit, definitely go ahead and grab one of these. I love the cashmere look because it does give it some texture without being just the plain green. Of course, you can get a more expensive pencil tree if you wanted to, one with twinkling lights. However, I'm going to link some twinkling lights from Amazon. That is what I'm going to add. So I think the cool thing about the viral Home Depot tree, the viral My Texas House tree, the larger ones, is that they have some lights that always stay on, and then they have some of the twinkling lights. So I don't see why you can't just grab a $15, $20 set of twinkling lights. It's a pencil tree, so it's not going to require much, and you can have that twinkling light effect that we all love for a cheaper cost. All right, I'm gonna unplug this, move it over here, and I'm gonna start opening my King of Christmas tree. This is the first time I am opening it, so I am really excited to see. I am also a little anxious to see if it's gonna fit up on the step. So where this is, it is down our entryway, has a little step. When we measured how tall our Christmas tree could be here, we thought 6.5 feet would be max, and I got a 7-footer, so we're gonna see if it's even gonna work. Fingers crossed. There are so many benefits to purchasing a King of Christmas tree. This bag is one of them. If you guys have ever tried to fit an artificial tree back into the box after fluffing, You know what I'm talking about. The bag is life-changing and perfect for storage. The next benefit is the power pole technology, which allows you to connect the pieces of your tree, and the lights are connected into the pole, so there's no messing with wires trying to find where the connector piece is, which I cut out in this video, but on the cashmere tree, I could not find it for the life of me where to connect the pieces from, so I was having a really hard time setting that up in a timely manner. This is just quick and easy. Of course, it does require fluffing. They also give you gloves that are epic to fluff your tree. I didn't pull them out for this one, but I will pull them out for my Christmas tree decorate with me when I do like the real fluffing. And if you guys see in this video here, you really can't see the wires. Everything is really camouflaged and the lights are just stunning. I feel like I went to the woods and chopped this down myself. It is so pretty and I feel like it's so lifelike. I didn't do a full fluffing job on it just because I just wanted to give you guys a brief picture of what it looks like, but you're gonna get the full picture when I do my Christmas tree decorate with me. This is going to be stunning with burgundy bows. It's going to have neutral golds. Can you guys see my vision? I am so excited. All right, let's get Halloween over with so I can decorate this thing. What do you guys say? This is the 7-foot King Flocked Noble Fir. So there is also just a plain green version. I do love the sparse tree look. I don't know, I've had a full green tree for as long as I can remember. This is the first time I've had a sparse tree and I just think it is stunning. And the lights, I can't wait till it's dark. We flip these on, we're watching a Christmas movie as a family, and we just get to enjoy this tree. It did leave a little mess down there on the bottom. Nothing to worry about. We have vacuums. That's what those are for. I think the look of a flock tree is super cozy and the exact look I'm going for this year. So thank you to King of Christmas for sending this over. I love it, and I hope you guys love it as well. There are so many different versions. There's full trees, tall trees, short trees. There's flocked trees, green trees, and right now I do believe they're on sale, but make sure to get it before the sale is over. I'm gonna link the King of Christmas website down below. And again, this is the 7-foot King Flocked Noble Fir. Please tell me I don't need any more because I literally want another one. Please, someone tell me I don't need any more Christmas trees in this house. Just enjoy for a moment during this video how beautiful the look of Christmas trees in a home are. I hope you guys are excited, just like me, to start decorating for Christmas. You guys, November 1st cannot come soon enough. I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Bye.